Hey guys, this video is for you if you are a 4th sem VTU student writing M4 internal exam or VTU Semester exams. And this video is from the video series that we are doing on 18 scheme M4 subject. And this includes the solutions to the most asked or the most repeated questions in the VTU Semester exam. And please subscribe to our channel for more videos and share this video with your other friends. Also watch this video till the end to know about our M4 video scanner. So the question is, the probability density function of a random variable x is f of x equal to kx square if x is between 0 and 3 and 0 if it otherwise. Find the value of k. Okay. So this is a continuous probability distribution question because here we have probability density function instead of probability mass function, and we have a relation, a function f of x is equal to kx square for probability density function. Okay. In case of discrete probability distributions, we will have a table, okay, x values and probability of x values listed in a table. Here we have a equation, here I have a function, okay. How do you find the value of k in continuous probability distribution function? Okay. Same as in discrete probability, the sum of all the probabilities is equal to 1 in the discrete probability case. Here, the integration of the probability density function from minus infinity to infinity is 1. Okay, so it is from minus infinity to infinity, the integration minus infinity to infinity of the probability density function with respect to x is 1. Okay, so the probability density function will be something like this. So this function will be something like this. If this is f of x, and this will be x. This is 0, this is minus infinity, this is infinity, right? So from 0 to 3, 3 will be here. From 0 to 3, f of x is kx square. We don't know what k is. So I'll just write a parabola curve till here, okay? It will be something like this, okay? From minus infinity to 0, it is 0, okay, my bad here. And from 3 to infinity, it is again 0. From 0 to 3, it is kx square. Okay. So how do you integrate minus infinity to infinity f of x? So it is nothing but from minus infinity to 0, the function is 0 dx, plus from 0 to 3, the function is kx square dx, plus from 3 to infinity, the function is 0 dx equal to, it should be equal to what? 1, right? So this is 0 plus k is outside because k is a constant. Integration x square with respect to x is x cube by 3, limits from 0 to 3, plus integration 0 dx is 0 is equal to 1. Okay, so k by 3 I will write outside. X cube, let us evaluate the limits 0 and 3. So first substitute the upper limit 3 cube minus the next substitute the lower limit 0 cube is equal to 1. So it is nothing but k by 3, 3 cube minus 0 cube is 3 cube, right? So 1 3 get cancelled, so it will be square is equal to 1. So k 3 square is 9, right? So it is 1 over 9. K is nothing but 1 over 9, right? So this function is this is exactly right, and here it will be, we have here what will the if k is equal to 1 over 9, okay, if kx square is equal to 1 over 9 x square, right? In place of k, you have to substitute 1 over 9. If you substitute 3 in place of x, it is 3 square is 9, 9 and it cancels, so this value is nothing but 1. Okay, 0, 3, 1. This is a 1 over 9 x square. Probability density function is 1 over 9 x square. Okay, so this is how you will find k given such questions. Given probability density function in terms of k between x values between 0 and 3, you integrate from minus infinity to infinity and equate it to 1. Okay, so usually minus infinity and plus infinity will not be there because the probability density function will be defined in finite limits. So when you evaluate the limits, you will get k value. Okay, so let's see the next continuous sub question. Okay, after the finding value of k, what they have asked us to find next. Okay, so next he has asked us to find probability of the random variables between 1 and 2. Okay, So in the case of continuous distribution, it doesn't matter if you have equal to less than equal to sign or only less than sign. We have to do the same procedure. Okay, the probability will not change if you have a less than equal to sign. Okay, so how do you find probability of x between 1 and 2? Okay, so we know probability density function, and probability is nothing but probability of x, probability of a random variable is nothing but integration probability density function with respect to x. Okay, this is the fundamental. Okay, now we need probability of x between 1 and 2. Okay, so we have to write the limits from 1 and 2. Okay, so that is nothing but integration from 1 to 2 f of x is 1 over 9 x square dx. 1 over 9 will be outside, it's constant. Integration x square dx is x cube over 3 from limits 1 to 2, right? So this 3 will come outside, so 1 over 27. How do you evaluate limits? Upper limit 2 cube minus lower limit 1 cube, right? So that is nothing but 1 over 27, 2 cube is 8 minus 1 cube is 1. So this will be probability of x between 1 and 2 is nothing but 7 by 27. Okay, so how do you find probability in a continuous distribution, continuous probability distributions? Given the probability density function, integrate it from the limits of x. Okay, where between what values of x do you want to find the probability? So here I want to find the probability of x between 1 and 2. So 1 and 2 is here, and solve this problem. Okay, let's see the next sub question. The third sub question is probability that x is less than equal to 1. So what happens only when only one of the limits is given? Here I have two limits, so I have written 1 to 2. Okay, now we need to find probability of all the values of x less than equal to 1. Okay, again less than equal to 1, less than equal to 1 is same as less than 1 in case of probability density function. Okay, so in this case probability is nothing but, if you have a less than sign, this is the upper limit. So this is the upper limit, and the lower limit will be minus infinity. Okay, if you have greater than sign, this will be the lower limit, and the upper limit will be infinity sign. Okay, so we need to integrate from minus infinity to 1 the probability density function f of x with respect to x. Okay, so what do we get? This is nothing but the probability density function is again defined from 0 to 3. So integration from minus infinity to 0 is nothing but the function is nothing but 0. Okay, plus integration from 0 to 1, that's what we need. The probability density function will be 1 over 9 x square dx. So this is nothing but 1 over 9, keep outside. Integration x square dx is x cube by 3 from limits 0 to 1. Okay, so this is 1 over, I'll take 3 outside, so 9 times 3 is 27. How do you evaluate limit x cube? It is 1 cube, the upper limit cube, minus the lower limit cube. Okay, so this is 1 over 27, 1 cube minus 0 cube is 1, so that's nothing but 1 over 27. Probability that x is less than equal to 1 is 1 over 27. Probability that x is between 1 and 2 is 7 over 27. Okay, so this is very simple. First question that will definitely get in the exam. First you need to find the value of k by integrating f of x from minus infinity and equal to 1, and then we can find probability by integrating the probability density function from given limits. Okay, let's see another question. The surest way to improve your CGPA is to study the previous year question papers, and this works for all branches, any subjects in VTU. For M4 subject, we have this amazing new product that you simply must have, and this is VTU exam video scanner for M4. So this book includes all the previous question papers, model papers on M4, and it also includes solutions to all the questions in the question papers and model papers. Each solution will have a QR code which will open a video where that solution is explained step by step. Okay. Find the link to buy this book in the description and get your own M4 video scanner today.